Welcome to my channel. Today we are going to learn daily basic conservations. If you like my video, please subscribe. I am very tired.
I am very tired.
Let's eat now.
Let's eat now.
Listen to me.
Listen to me.
Give me a minute.
Give me a minute.
I can't do it.
I can't do it.
Turn on the light.
Turn on the light.
What's the problem?
What's the problem?
You can try.
You can try.
Please be quiet.
Please be quiet.
I like this place.
I like this place.
Be careful.
Be careful.
It's very dark.
It's very dark.
I will help you.
I will help you.
Do it again.
Do it again.
Close the door.
Close the door.
That's a good question.
That's a good question.
That's a good question.
That's a good question.
That's not easy.
That's not easy.
You are very smart.
You are very smart.
Watch out.
Watch out.
This room is clean.
This room is clean.
Let MW help.
Let me help.
It's your turn.
It's your turn.
Is it far? I am ready now.
I am ready now.
Do you like it?
Do you like it?
I am thinking now.
I am thinking now. She looks happy.
She looks happy. Wake up now.
Wake up now.
Take an umbrella.
Take an umbrella.
I am waiting for you.
I am waiting for you.
What time is it?
What time is it?
Just a little.
Just a little.
I am full now.
I am full now.
I feel cold.
I feel cold.
Let's go home.
Let's go home.
That smells good.
That smells good.
It's raining now.
It's raining now.
Let's go together.
Let's go together.
I want more.
I want more.
It's too early.
It's too early.
Time to sleep.
Time to sleep.
Yes, I love it.
Yes, I love it.
I am very hungry.
I am very hungry.
I need a jacket.
I need a jacket.
Are you coming?
Are you coming? I need some rezzer.
I need some rest. I don't like it.
I don't like it. This tastes great.
This tastes great. Come back soon.
Come back soon. Where is my phone?
Where is my phone? It's not working. Let's do it now.
Let's do it now.
Don't be late.
Don't be late.
That's really good.
That's really good.
Please wait here.
Please wait here. I am very busy. I don't have IR.
I don't have it. I don't believe it.
I don't believe it.
I have a car.
I have a car. Take care, okay.
Take care, okay. Look at this. That's not true. I like this one.
I like this one. I lost my keys.
Let's try again.
Let's try again.
He is very funny. I don't feel well now. I am thinking now. She looks happy.
She looks happy. That smells good.
I lives in a city. Are you going to office?